Something that's not really talked about or thought about much is the air pressure in your tires. And I really recommend to have one of these portable air pumps like this one here from Lamicall. They sent me this to review, and I thank them for that. You can see it right here. This one has a couple, there's a lot of these on the market, but this one has a couple cool features that not all of them have, like all of the extra storage for like your different devices is in here. You have your extra fuses, you have your adapters here, and see how that just goes down. Your adapters for inflating balls or blow up devices are all in this because these always get lost. So that's a really cool feature that it has right there. It has that little red stripe. It also has these little rubber boots to go on it, which will help isolate the sound and make it so it's not so noisy. Also has a light. Go ahead and turn it on. And you can see here, it's displaying our battery level with these 4 bars here. And this has a 2500 milliamp battery, which is pretty good. And it also, if you look down here, has your USB-C input and USB output. So you can charge devices off of this as well and recharge it. And another nice feature on it, we have our nice hose, and this one's extra thick, and it has this clamp style here. You have extra padding here to insert this because they do end up getting hot. So it's nice that it has extra rubber than most of the other ones. We have this little carrying bag to keep it in. And we also, again, have our USB charging cable. And best of all, we have the 12-volt adapter here, which is a super long cable. So if you forgot to charge this or the battery drained, because this is one of those things that you don't plan to use, but you want it to work when it does. If you don't have it, it has an input down here to put this in here, and then you can use this plug off of your car to power the device, which is very handy. Once this is on, you can cycle in between. You can turn the light on here. Yeah, you hold it down, and it turns on, and it's going to show you the PSI, the current PSI, what you want it to set at. You can turn it up and down. Very extra big LED LCD screen. Very easy to, some of these like they glare. This one is very easy and very legible. And then you can change like what kind of device, like for a bike, balls, cars, etc. Put it back on car. These have a little bit higher inflation, and I have a very slow leak in this tire, so I just try to check it like once a week. It'll lose a little bit of PSI, not much, like 1 or 2. But the other thing people don't realize is with temperature changes, especially as we're approaching fall, um, your your car will actually, if it has just normal air in the tires, not nitrogen, they will go up and down with temperature changes. So, and for the best wear, and this is a nice long hose, which is nice as well. Just simply insert that. So for best efficiency of your gas mileage and for proper tire wear, you want to make sure that it's inflated to the right one. See, so I keep mine at 41, and right now it's at 37. Ooh, that's quiet. Usually these are pretty loud, and I think this rubber grommet is helping a lot, because without it, it would chitter chatter all over the place. But let's see how long it takes for it to go to, like another 4 PSI. And it also has a light that you can turn on, and some other features as well. But yeah, we're already almost up to 40. And this thing's going strong. 40.5. So it does move around a little bit. 41. That was very fast. And yeah, this thing has output a power of 120 watts, which is a lot of pressure. It definitely works well. And I hope this video helped you with your buying decision.